Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to show you how to record a video on a discussion board or in a discussion board inside your Schoology course. So the first thing you're going to do, of course, is go up here to courses. I feel like I'm saying course a lot. Come up here to courses and find your elementary attendance. Now this I actually am using Brindley's Schoology folder for this, so I know a lot of these pictures don't look familiar to you, but I know this guy does. Here's our Panther for elementary attendance, so go ahead and click on that course when you get into your Schoology. We're going to go ahead and go in here to this. I know this is last week's, but you're going to click on today's lesson, whatever today is, whatever lesson you have open today. Oh, and looky there, Schoology's being tricky, which we know that happens sometimes. So I'm going to click it again. There it is. Sometimes we have to go back and try things again, especially with Schoology. We know it's tricky. So I'm going to come down here to the discussion page. There's already 23 comments on this discussion page. That's awesome. Oh, sometimes maybe hitting the refresh button might help also. I'm going to have to go back. And let's try it again. There it is. See, you never know. It's like a little surprise waiting to happen, seeing if it's going to pop up or not. So you can see down here, Nija's replied, Carter's replied, and then I've answered back a little bit, a comment or a message. But if you want to reply, you can just type your comment right here in the comment box. So I'm going to click and type, hi, whatever you want to say. Or if you want to get really fancy, you can record a video. Now to do that, you do have to type something in the comment box. I would be happy if you just typed your name. So I'm going to type in Decker. And then I'm going to come down here to this microphone. I'm going to click on that little guy and I'm going to click audio and video. Audio means sound, I can hear you, and video is so I can see you. When you click that button, your little screen will come up and you'll see yourself. And you can click this blue button to start recording and you can tell me about your day. So I'm going to click start recording. Hello boys and girls, this is how you record a video in Schoology. And then you can stop recording. Then you can come over here and play to make sure it's what you want it to look like. Okay, if it is what you want it to look like, you'll click Insert Recording, but let's say you don't really like it, you made a mistake. You can just X out of that, go back to your microphone and start over again. Go to Audio and Video. It might ask you up here in the corner to allow your microphone to work. Make sure you click Allow if you haven't done that already. Start recording. Hello boys and girls, we are doing a Schoology video. Stop recording, then I might watch it. Oh yeah, so much better. Oh yes, love that. I want to insert that recording, and it shows up right there as like a little Hollywood movie screen clicker. And then you come down here and click post, and it's posted. So I can get on here and I can click on this little link and your video will come up down here on the screen. And you can watch other people's videos too on a discussion board. You can watch their video and see what your friends are up to if you're missing your friends. You can come down here and read some of their posts. If you click on this, a little window will open up. There will be your friend. When you're done, you will X out and close that. And then you can go back to something else you want to work on in your courses, or maybe you're done for the day and you get to go play. Yay! Anyways, I hope that you will try the video on the discussion page. I think it would be really fun to see you. I'm recording some videos for me, but I also think it would be fun for you to see each other's videos. So give it a try. It's a lot of fun. See you soon.